good evening slash afternoon, shall I say, from Alton Towers. So we're going to start our day here on Wickerman, here at Alton Towers. It says 70 minutes, but it looks more like 45 minutes to be honest. But yeah, I'm very excited to get on this, but I'm going on this with an icon hat, so yeah, let's go on this. 70 minutes now. I remember you riding this. I've been rode this many times this season. Not as much as last year though. Last year, I rode it too much last year, shall I say. But yeah, let's go on to it. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? You alright?
We're good, yeah. Welcome to Theme Park Jake Worldwide.
Theme Park Jake Worldwide, is that now what you're calling me?
Yeah.
Oh, what, we're going to have a whole rebrand of the channel? Ah, but, hello.
Hi, over here. Come to here.
What?
Oh, there we go. Right,
There we go.
So we're going back to Wickerman.
You remember queuing 5 hours for this?
I remember queuing 5 hours and then constantly hearing
The Wickerman is having technical difficulties. Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to ride this possibly for the final time this season. So yeah, let's go on to Wickerman. So night has fell over the towers, and so yeah, we've just had we had a ride on Wickerman. The reason, we had a ride on Wickerman, and it was yeah, it was a really good ride. Really, oh god, sorry if it's really blurry at the minute because it's just we're walking and I haven't had a chance to focus. Oh, it's not going to do it. Yeah, so we're going to. Oh yeah, we had a ride on Wickerman. It was really good. All the effects were working. The smoke was doing really well today because it was really prominent on the stuff and everything. It was really good. Then we were going to go to Pizza and Pasta, but Pizza and Pasta has like an hour's wait, and we're not going to do that. And to be honest, we missed the beginning of the fireworks last year, so we wanted to be there early this year. So yeah, so we walked up here. And we just thought we'd come all the way up here, and we went and did Nemesis. It was on a 10-15 minute wait, so we went and did it, had our final ride of the season. If you can't see me, you can't see me. Where are you going? Where are you going?
The toilet.
Oh, toilet, okay.
Daddy wants the toilet.
Okay.
Thanks for that, Jake. Everyone in the world knows I need the toilet.
Okay, Dad needs a wee. But yeah, and then we came up and did Nemesis. Nemesis is really good, running really well. Yeah, for the final ride of the season on it. So yeah, I think we're going to head over to the fireworks waiting area now, are we? Yeah. No, I don't need the toilet.
Yeah, I do.
But yeah, right, I'm going to wait for these guys to go to the toilet. So yeah. Yeah, it's been a very good day. Really enjoyed it today. But it's not really about the rides today. About end of the season here at Alton Towers, as always, every year. Alton Towers is always the end of the season day for me. So yeah, we're going to head over to down here and then head over to the fireworks. See you later. So we're in place for the fireworks for now. Hello.
22 minutes.
22 minutes to go.
Counting.
It's very busy. It's a lot busier than I thought it would be. But yeah, I'm very excited to get
21 minutes, quick update.
21 minutes. But yeah, we're waiting for the fireworks. We've got a different setup for this year. Let me turn around the camera because I was using my left hand instead of my right hand, which is a bit weird. Possibly a bit blurry, but we got 5 crystals on like these projectors. And then we've got the towers just there, and then fireworks. So yeah, very excited for this tonight. We've only had 2 rides. I don't think we're gonna have any more, possibly not. But yeah, so I'm very excited for the fireworks tonight. Now it's time for a ride on the Runaway Mine Train after one of the best ever Alton Towers fireworks. I've got to say, They were absolutely brilliant this year. Such a great investment. They've just really improved. Like, because last year I weren't impressed. Last year, as you may have seen from the vlog, I was not very happy about them. Oh god, this is a lot longer than 10 minutes, but yeah. So, yeah. But yeah, really good. I really enjoyed them. So we had a ride on Runaway Mine Train. It said 10 minutes, but it was supposed to be about 20 minutes, but it was still fine. Yeah, it was a really good ride. Didn't do any off-road filming because it's dark and there's no point, to be honest. So yeah, I don't know what we're doing now. I think we're going to be leaving. I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, let's head up to Forbidden Valley. Let's go. So the season for Theme Park Jake has come to an end. This today really hasn't been about riding rides. It's mainly about the fireworks, but the season has come to an end this year. So yeah, it's been a really good season. We've done quite a lot of theme parks. We've been to Movie Park Germany. We rode Star Trek Operation Enterprise. We went to Toverland and we rode Phoenix. We went to Wallaby Holland, not Wallaby Holland, Wallaby Belgium, and we rode Tiki Waka. That's Tiki Waka and Psych Underground. And we've been to the UK theme parks. We've been to Chessington, and we've done all the classics there, like Vampire and Dragon Fury and everything. We've been here. We've been doing the Alton Towers Dungeon. I've done it multiple times this year. Different people to get their reactions, and yeah, we've been here for Scarefest. We've been here for multiple events. Coast to Kids Day is another example, and I had a really good day that day. And I think this season it's not been the best out of them all, but last season was really good because we had the new investments like Wicker Man, Walking Dead the ride. Oh yeah, we've done Thorpe Park Fright Nights. That's another one. Thorpe Park Fright Nights. But yeah, this year it's been really good, and it's set to be another good one next year. And the stuff we're looking to do next year is very good. Let's just say that, and I'm not going to mention any more. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. Not going to mention anything that are planned for next year, but it's going to be a good year. So that's goodbye from all of us from the end of the 2019 season. The end.
Bye. Bye.
Goodbye. There we go. So yeah, we'll see you next season. But turning off from Theme Park Mom, Theme Park Sis, and Kevin, and Kevin, just Kevin.
Theme Park Dad.
Kevin. So yes, we'll see you. Oh, blurry. We'll see you very soon. There will be loads of videos over the winter period, like I have just announced on Theme Park Jake, that we will be creating Theme Park Jake, the story so far, which is a documented episode, well, film thing that I'm creating, which is talking about how I fell for my love for theme parks. It's gonna be a little thing, joke thing. I don't know how it's going to go at the minute, but yeah, it's going to be really good. Oh yeah, we've got loads of pictures. I think Mum's going to get loads of pictures out for me for the video. Mum's Facebook, and go through quite a lot of photos. So yeah, right, we'll see you very soon from next season and in a few videos time, and there will be more parody videos like the Wicked Duck video coming soon, which I'm not going to say anymore. But yeah, we'll see you very next season. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.